So, hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Innovation Business Model and Entrepreneurship Week second assignment second. So, the first question is Elkington introduced the sustainability concept as triple bottom line. What are the three important dimension, three P's of sustainability? So, these are the option and the answer of our first question is A, people, planet and profit. Now, the second question is the first step of innovation management is. So, these are the option and the answer of our second question is B, collection of ideas. Now, the third question is innovation can face challenges at both individual and organizational levels. What among the following is a challenge of innovation at individual level? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is C, fear of failure. Now the fourth question is which one of the following is a key process in an innovation program? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is B, buzz creation. Now the fifth question is who is not involved in the selection of ideas in idea management? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is D, basic raw material supplier. Now, the sixth question is a traffic police chief driving himself in the city to understand the problem faced by commuters. It is an example of which source of a challenge book. So, these are the option, and the answer of our sixth question is A. Feel the pain source. Now, the seventh question is when the solution to a problem can be deduced by applying stabilized rules and logical reasoning. It is called dash. So these are the option convergent thinking, divergent thinking, both A and B, none of the above. So the answer of our seventh question is A, convergent thinking. Now the eighth question is Ashok is planning to design a new bed that he can sell to hospitals to be used by their patients. However, Ashok is not considering people with disabilities or older people while designing the product. According to the design thinking process, Ashok will face problems because he is missing dash. So these are the option creativity, empathy, practice, practicality, imagination. So the answer of our eighth question is B, empathy. Now the ninth question is the managing director of a leading IT firm lives 35 kilometers away from her office and drives a car that gives a mileage of 5 kilometers per liter. Considering financial and environmental reasons, she wanted to use less fuel during her commute and hence have asked her employees for suggestion. So employer X suggests the two best replacement vehicle for her car. Employment Y gives suggestion to reduce fuel consumption such as moving closer to work, telecommuting, walking, carpooling or taking public transportation. Which one of the employee is approaching the problem with divergent thinking? So these are the option employee X, employee Y, both of them, neither of them. So the answer of our ninth question is B, employee Y. Now the 10th question is the electric vehicle EV revolution is fast approaching from 1.4% of global sales in 2017. EV made up 8.6% in 2021, roughly a six-fold increase in just 4 years. An innovator is thinking of using this opportunity for innovation. It is an example of dash. So these are the options: feel the pain, sense the wave, see the waste, none of the above. So the answer of our 10th question is B, sense the wave. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.